Yo, what's up? My name is Samuel Leeds. My friend owns this house. This house is awesome. I want to introduce you to my man, Rieder, Dr. Ryan Rieder. Very good friend of mine. He bought this house. It's a buy, refurbish, refinance property. He's going to put his money in. He's going to pull his money out. And right now, he's going to talk to you about the figures. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, my name's Dr. Ryan Rieder. I'm a property investor and I'm here in Burnley, close to Manchester, showing you one of my property deals I'm just about to do. So look behind me. We're going to convert this bad boy into a 13-bed student let. I'll take you for a tour inside in a moment, but let me tell you about the figures first. Here are the numbers. We're purchasing this building behind me, this bad boy, for $275,000, and we're going to do a refurb on this for in the vicinity of £200,000 to £250,000. The done-up value at the end is going to be in the vicinity of £700,000 to £725,000, which means I'm going to get all my money back out. And here's the best part: 13-bed HMO, all en suite, making me £2,500 cash every single month. That's net cash flow, and I've got no money left in the deal. How cool does that sound, right? Let's do a quick tour. Let me show you around. We've got a big project here, but it's super exciting. It's a bit dark, it's getting darker right now, so bear with me, but you'll see the extent of the refurb that's needing done. Good news about that is, wherever there is an opportunity, when you see a building that needs extensive refurb, that also gives us a huge opportunity to add massive value. That's what's so exciting about buy, refurbish, refinance, is I'm going to be able to take all my money back. So again, getting the property for free at the end of the day. We've got a great university here in Burnley. I mean, if I had the opportunity to live in something like this when I was a student, killer student digs. We're going to have a games room, we're going to have awesome games areas, etc. So come on. So as you can see, we have a lot of work to do in here, but the good news is we've already stripped back a lot. Not too much work to be done on this. We've had a couple quotes from builders, and all coming into that vicinity of those figures I said, between 200, 250, etc., depending on the builder. We've already stripped back a lot of the carpets. The walls are now nice and bare, and as I say, a lot of work to do here, but it also gives us a great opportunity. Wow, okay, have a look. So we've just come from the ground floor. Ground floor, 4 bedrooms. We're gonna have a lounge on the ground floor and a kitchenette on the ground floor. On the first floor, we've got a lot of work to do here, but we're gonna turn this. This is also gonna be 4 bedrooms around here. There's actually a study room. There's a study room that's gonna be created here. Remember, every single room's gonna be en suite. We've also got a kitchenette on the second floor. Then we've got a third floor, which we can go up here in a moment and give you a bit of a tour. Hey guys, we're on the third floor. We're gonna turn this into 5 double bed en suites. Total 13 bedrooms, the entire thing. Come have a look around. We've already stripped back a lot of the walls, and nice sized rooms, really nice sized rooms. Already, I mean, some of the things, I mean, we've got a big refurb here, but you can see we've already got some, we can be able to reuse a lot of this to bring our costs down of our refurb. And you see it flips all the way around, and we're going to get the 5 bedrooms on this floor, which will be pretty cool. So, hope you guys are enjoying the tour. Just to give you a good understanding of what a buy, refurbish, refinance can look like. This is quite a substantial one, but super exciting, and it's kind of deals I like to be involved in. So, hope this is helpful. So one of the great things about this property is that the layout stays pretty much the same. It's basically just a fit out across the board. Come have a look. We've got lovely views across the church here, and we're in the centre town. We're kind of close to centre here in Burnley. Most important thing for me, this is going to be a student let, and it's going to be close to the university. So I already own quite a few student lets. I love student lets. A lot of people don't necessarily like them. I like them because I almost have 0 voids with any of my student lets. So I'm really excited about this project. The university is literally up this road, left, and 10-minute walk, which is amazing for this property and what we're going to be able to do with it. One of the most interesting things about this project is that here are the key things you have to understand about a buy, refurbish, refinance. One, the structure is all sound. It's been checked. I think we have one tiny area in the building where we have to put a new steel in. Second, the roof is good condition. We can reuse the roof. We don't have massive costs there or extra costs there. And then planning, which is very unique for this property, was already done on the property. So I got to purchase this property, planning done, which made my job a lot easier and a great little project for me to get stuck into. This is a great example of no money down deal. Yes, you need some capital to get into the deal, but at the end of the day, I have got zero money left in the deal and have cash flow every single month, £2,500 every single month. Now, here's the thing, a lot of people watching this and going, how do I get the initial capital? Well, this is where you have to have the skill set of finding investors, which we teach you exactly how to do at the crash course and our advanced programs. And there's no guarantees in anything, but within a reason, you know exactly what you're going to be putting in and what you're going to be getting out and how you're going to pay your investors back. So specifically for finding investors for this deal, great deal. I'm going to be doing it all by myself, but if you were wanting to do a completely no money down deal where you don't even have to come with the capital to start the deal, we're getting this whole thing bridged, but you could do that with finding investors very easily for this deal. One of the other great things about raising finance for a deal like this is when you go to an investor, you literally kind of know your term already because you speak to a builder, you know how long the refurb is going to take. Your bridging finance is going to be over a set term already. The interest repayments is going to be accrued towards the end anyway. So when you go to your finance or when you're raising finance, you're able to say to your investor, listen, we're going to get your money back to you in 6 months' time. Even when you know the project might be done in 3 months' time, give yourself a little bit more time for that because building always takes a little longer than you think, etc. But again, when you're going to an investor and say, I'm going to get your money back on it with your return in 6 months' time, as opposed to most investors have opportunities to get their money back in 5 years' time, that's just a great position to be in, to go, look, invest X amount and you're going to get this much back in 6 months' time. I mean, that's incredible. Hey guys, we're in the basement of the project and we're doing it now in Burnley, and this is going to be turned into a games room, a kitchen, a study room, and a lounge. Amazing area for people to come hang out. I'm just so excited about this project. You're not going to be able to see much because it's pretty dark, but have a look around. Most of our figures are worked on about £130 per week per room, but really speaking to local estate agents here or local agents are going to be helping us manage this place that do lots of student lets in the area. There's going to be nothing like it in the area. I mean, we're literally walking distance just from the university, that they think that we're going to get be able to fill the rooms for anywhere from 135 to 150 per week. So again, you know, going into the investment, I've been super conservative. I know that at the very least we're going to be making £2,500 cash flow, but if we get that £150 a week per room, then we're smiling. So great news from the agents.
Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed that and you want to see more content like this, please smash the like button. Also, if you want to learn to do the same thing, if you want to meet Ryan and people like Ryan, then don't forget to book onto the property investors crash course. You can do that right here. Right here. Right here. Book on. I'll see you there.